It's about 8:15. I'm about ready to go to work. Finish exercising. Finish writing. The thing you have to remember: our bodies are a work of art, a work of perfection, a work of beauty. Every one of us. When you're old, when you're young, when you're white, when you're black, when you're blue, it's perfection. It's self-love. It's really hard to understand. That's beyond hard to understand. We are beauty in the making. Every moment, every second, our bodies speak of love. We take a look around. The trees, the grass, the flowers, the bloom. That's work of perfection, work of love. All designed to keep me healthy and strong. The only thing I have to do is don't abuse it. The only thing I have to do in order to keep my body strong, jubilant and happy, is not to abuse it. That's simple. At 74, I am not designed to get sick. As long as I don't abuse it. Let me repeat. I am not designed to get sick ever. I'm going to die, but I'm going to die peacefully. As long as I don't abuse my body, abuse the nature around me. That's simple. So let's take a look at what is abusing. What is abusing? But a universal force within me. I have 75 trillion cells. I mean, look at it. I can't count them. And each cell has 24,000 life units. I can't count them. Beyond 380 billion viruses. Definitely can't count that. And they call corona is one of them. It doesn't make sense to me, but that's the way it is. There's 60 billion bacteria in my body right now. It's designed to see, to talk, to walk, to move my hands. Beyond. You know what that means? Beyond. It's a gift, a universal life. Every breath we take in this world. It's a gift. There's no wisdom out there that is smart as you, that can create you from a little seedling to a full body, beyond. And we're given the tools to operate at 100% efficiency all the time. Birth to death. We are designed to live in perfection. We are designed not to get sick. We are designed to be jubilantly happy all the time. We are designed. That's the way life works. I mean, these hands, they move, boom, boom, boom. The eyes see, boom, boom. My breath, I talk. Imagine every word that I know comes out just like that. Every sight, zillions of things going on for me to see. Zillions of things going on for me to move my arms, my hands, my feet, my hair. This is beyond. I mean, beyond. There's no power on the earth that knows us more than we do. There's no science. Science is not even a dot of wisdom compared to our bodies. Think about that. We have the tools within us for perfection. We have the food for perfection. It's given to us daily. They raise tons and tons of fruit, tons of vegetables for us. We're not designed to take chemicals in our body. We're not designed because in the universal force, infinite wisdom, it created these 6 factors in order for a body to accept any food. Glucose, protein, vitamins, minerals, fatty acids, and water in a complete package. You know what that means? In a complete package. Glucose, protein, vitamins, minerals, fatty acids, and water in a complete package. It's alkaline. Our body, in order to function, has to be in an alkaline state. 7.4. If it goes to 7.35, you die. There's no gray area here. And any food that we take in has to meet those qualifications. Any pill, any supplement, any chemical that we take into our bodies has to meet those qualifications. We're given a strong sense of life from birth that works continuously without stop. Even at 70, almost 74, going on 47, it works continuously. So in that joyous jubilation of perfection, I stand talking to you. Fruit meet this qualifications. Vegetables meet this qualification of perfection. Anything else? Be aware. You've been warned. That's all I can say. Rock and roll, live a dream. Super excited. I got to be at work today. Super excited about that. We painted rocks yesterday. Shout out to Daria, beyond amazing for her spirit and help me create my words and to give to you. Anyway, super bye. Much love.